Obviously, if you want to regularly engage with customers, you want them to look at your content on a regular basis, you're going to have to provide regular, high quality, valuable content. So how can you stay on top of producing that content while maintaining high quality and also delivering on time without feeling burnt out yourself? Well, there are two ways that I recommend doing this. The first is to focus on quality content and not to overdo things. People typically tend to do as much as possible across multiple channels when it's actually just as effective to use one particular channel and one particular activity that can result in lots of content. Good example of this is webinars. If you have a great educational, engaging webinar series on a content niche that's relevant to your product and that's highly relevant to the audience's problems or needs, then you're going to get a regular interaction with that content. With a webinar, you've obviously got peer-to-peer and networking experiences we know that healthcare professionals like. You can also create short form and long form video content from those webinars due to the fact that they can be recorded. You can also transcribe key information from those meetings and produce, say, consensus reports or meeting updates, or even articles that you can publish on your website and push through your newsletters, for example. The other recommendation I have is to be a bit more strategic in your thinking. You can build out a journey that allows your customers to consistently receive content without you having to create it again and again. A good example of this is a simple welcome email series. So for any new subscriber, say to the webinar series that I mentioned earlier, all you need to do is program a series of emails that are received once a month by that new subscriber so that anyone who subscribes is going to get a consistent stream of monthly emails for 6 months in content to them that seems fresh, but that to you was produced a long time ago. So it doesn't matter if a customer engages with that now, when it's first been produced, they're going to get that 6 months of content. In 3 months' time, someone else subscribes, they're going to get a tail of 6 months of content as well. So it feels to them like they're consistently getting fresh content, but for you, you've already set that up, it's already running. So this is a great way to keep people engaged without having to produce new content all the time. The advantage to doing something like this, for example, is as that content goes out, if you've got the right CRM capabilities set up, your reps, for example, will be able to see if somebody engaged with email 3, and email 3 might be about a particular topic, and they will be able to follow up and see if someone wants extra information about email 3. Gives you some extra information about that particular customer and allows you to engage in a personalized way.